Hey guys, welcome to my channel again for the second part of the Sirocco from Dirindo tutorial. Today's video is about the bottom of the jumpsuit. Last week you saw the top part of the jumpsuit. If you didn't see my first video, just get in my channel, click on the previous video to have the first part of the tutorial. So for the ones who missed it, I'm French. I initially opened my channel for the French-speaking people because there were a lot of English-speaking patterns that were inaccessible to French-speaking persons. And today I'm making the opposite because this French pattern could be interesting for you, and I didn't find any English-speaking tutorial on this garment, so I'm making it for you. I hope you like it, and don't hesitate to tell me in the comments if you're interested in other translations, other tutorials, either on French patterns or even English-speaking patterns that haven't been made in video yet. Just let me remind you that all my previous videos are now subtitled in English, like for example maybe my Butterick dress or my McCall's coat that I made, the M6800, or the dress B6412. Don't hesitate to go look around. Anyways, before I leave you with the instructions, I remind you that I have social media on Instagram and Facebook under the name Couture Positive. And also, if you like that video, at the end you could put a thumbs up under the video and subscribe to my channel to have some news about my next videos. Anyways, I'll leave you with the instructions now, and I get back to you at the end. For the bottom part of the Sirocco jumpsuit, here in short version, you will need 2 leg front pieces cut mirrored, 2 leg back pieces cut mirrored, 2 pocket facing pieces cut mirrored, 2 pocket pieces cut mirrored, 2 sleeve pieces cut mirrored, 2 rubber elastic 22 centimeters long. Let's get to assembly. The seam allowance for this pattern is 1 centimeter. Start with the legs front pieces folds. The 2 methods explained in the first video are valid. As you know, I prefer the second one. Fold your front pieces right sides together, matching the fold notches. Baste on the fold with a few stitches to hold the 2 notches together. Pin the excess of fabric towards the center side of your piece. Baste in place. Stitch the pocket facing and the front leg right sides together. Pin the elastic to the wrong sides of the pocket facing, slightly stretching it as you stitch. stitch the curve. Understitch the elastic to the pocket facing. The dots are pressed towards the center of the pants. I like to hem my pieces in the beginning. The hem is 3 centimeters wide. Stitch a straight line 3 centimeters from the edge of your piece. Fold the edge of your piece on the wrong side, following the line you stitched. Stitch again. Take away the first line. Baste the straight parts of the pockets. Pin the sleeves, matching the shoulder seam with the middle of the sleeves cap and the other notches together. That's it, your Sirocco jumpsuit is complete! So that's it for our tutorial for today. I hope this video will help you to sew your Sirocco jumpsuit. Maybe it will get you interested in other patterns from this brand, the Dirando patterns. Don't hesitate to put in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any patterns that you would like to see on my channel. Before I leave you, I remind you that I have social media on Instagram and Facebook under the name Couture Positive, and you can also put a thumbs up under this video if you liked it, and get subscribed to my channel to have some news about my other videos coming up. Anyways, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next one.